how to install Workday app. So just tap Get to install it here. Double click to install. Enterprise Workspace Solutions. The Workday app provides secure mobile access to your Workday applications on the go. As an employee, our simple interface allows you to review your pay, view or request time off, check in or out for work, submit your timesheet, and submit expenses quickly. Get push notifications, alerts, and reminders for time tracking, important updates, and approvals. Immediately take action right from the app. Browse your company directory, securely view your coworker profiles, leave feedback, and take learning courses on the go. And vice versa. As a manager, you can take action, you can approve or decline, view your team or individual profiles. So and so on. So a lot of functionalities here, and then you can just log in. And then in the app, you just need to already have an account created. I don't know, like you just need to scan or search for your organization ID. And then you just need to sign into your digital workspace from here. That's basically the idea. And then you can just use your user ID or select your country region, select your location and all of that. And then here that's, for example, how it works. That's how you can add all the different instances, all the different workspaces. So something like that. That's basically what it is.